North Shillong MLA Adelbert Nongrum refused to withdraw his motion to extend the Legislative Assembly sessions, expressing concerns that the current 5-day schedule is insufficient. He advocated for extending the session days rather than just the hours to facilitate more comprehensive discussions. However, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prastun Tinsong clarified that the Business Advisory Committee has allocated specific days for government business and MLAs to raise matters. Meanwhile, Speaker Thomas A. Sangma affirmed that the session hours can be extended as needed.
Committee sat again last year autumn session. On the basis of that, we said that okay for the private members, let us have 2 days, and in addition to that, by convention, in case if need be, 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours in a day, it can be extended.
Yes. No, I will extend the debating hours if the need requires. I will extend the hours as already explained by the Honourable Minister for Parliamentary Affairs in charge. To extend the days, the BSC will have to sit again.
The state TMC is